Hello, my name's Evan from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback Sport 25 TFSI. It comes dressed in the sleek Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have enough boot space for your every day-to-day needs, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done just 4,622 miles. Standing on 16-inch alloy wheels with a 10-spoke turbine design making a bold statement with every turn. To the rear, you have the cloth upholstery and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. In the car menu, parking aid, for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Below you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature of the cabin. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging points. Finished off with the sleek manual gearbox. And 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 Sportback is now available and on site. For more information, please contact our sales team who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.